I'm going to discuss about guidelines for writing meaningful links. So when we write a text or a link that it describes the content of the link target, avoiding using the link text such as click here or read more, ingredient relevant information about the link target. So when we follow the guidelines, we can write a link. So we follow steps where we do not make new program links by themselves. Where many organizations create programs with unique names, once people know the name, it may make sense. However, it's meaningless to use it to your site for the first time. So think ahead, launch and land on the same name. The first thing people check as a move through websites is, did I get where I thought I was going? Or if the link and page name don't match, visitors may have a moment of confusion. Watching is very important now that so many visitors use mobile devices and page load times can be longer for mobile devices. People can become frustrated if they didn't get the content they were expecting. Both should have almost all the same words, but more certainly the same keywords. Note, whereas in search engine organization, launching on landing on the same name helps your SEO, whereas some algorithms make lower your SEO score if the headline is as a link and headline on the page don't match. For actions, start with a verb. For example, instead of using just word accounts, use go to accounts instead. Make the link meaningful, where most people scan web pages first focusing on headings and links. Click here, hear more, read more, etc. Whatever. Give no clue about what will appear. Blind web users scam with their ears. Screen recording software helps them do this by allowing them to pull the links on a web page into one list. This can be very frustrating. Very frustrating. So, Jazz from Freedom Scientific, reading links on a page at some many products. So, when we click here is not necessary. Most site visitors know the something that looks like a link is a link. More or learn more by itself is where we become a member now and post a resume to get found by the thousands of employees. Get a job alerts here. We can see for the future start action works, call to an action. So next we can go to our next step where most people notice the pictures first, then the blue links, and then after the read the headlines and the text. Don't embed links for the most content. Avoid links patterns, and remember, an embedded link is always a distraction. When someone follows an embedded link, they leave your information in the middle of what you are saying. It's like switching conversational topics mid-sentence. Keep links left aligned. For example of links pattern, links placed randomly throughout text are called links patterns. They can make the page look disorderly and confusing. This paragraph shows how a page can appear if links are scattered throughout the text. So, if you want people to read your entire sentence, paragraph, or list, don't invite them to leave by embedding links. Site visitors don't often come back once they have left your page. Put links at the end, below, or next to your text. At the start of a paragraph, or straight after the relevant paragraph, or in a list and in headlines. Make bullets with link active too. Whenever you use bullets next to links, circles, squares, or numbers, etc., include the bullet with the text in the clickable area. So this is our topic. Thank you.